G2 is powerful, really powerful. Like at Dreamdata, whenever we sell, G2 tends to influence more than 50% of the deals that we've won. We've also studied benchmarks from G2 data, where we can see that the journeys that start from G2 closes more than 60% faster than the average journey, which is just crazy. So if you're not utilizing a platform like G2 today, I really, really, really advise you to start taking review platforms for your industry super seriously. But today I want to show you a really cool workflow where we are going to utilize three resources. One, intent data from D2, Dreamdata to layer on an ICP profile to the intent data, and three, LinkedIn's matched audiences to run ads towards these accounts that show intent to buy our product. So first of all, we have G2. We have the review category that we're paying for to get the intent data. That is the attribution category. And for any kind of industry, the G2 category might be a little bit too broad for you to just run ads towards any account that shows up on these pages. And this is where we're going to use Dreamdata to layer on an ICP profile on the traffic that is inside of G2, reading reviews, trying to study which software to go for. So that means I need to layer on an ICP profile to these accounts. And I'll do that for you right here. So here I have our company audience builder. I've selected source, and then what I'm going to type in here is that I want to study all the accounts that comes from G2, and I want to have like a dynamic filter here that says somewhat maybe last 90 days. It's probably a good one. And then once I hit apply here, I get all the accounts that we've received from G2's intent data. That's great. That's the broad kind of targeting. Now I'm in my way here, but I'll try to push myself into the corner. What we have here is 175 accounts. What we then want to do is that we want to ensure that these accounts actually fit our ICP definition. And what we can do, or how we can do that, is we can start by saying, well, I know the sizes of companies that we're interested in. That could be 250 to 5K, 10K actually. Okay, let's say apply. Then you'll notice the number behind me here gets smaller. I also know that we tend to work great with, for example, software companies. So I layer on the industry as well. Software, here we go. Good. And then I actually also want to make sure that they are also in some of the markets that we typically target. So let's say United States and United Kingdom. Apply. Good. Cool. Now we don't just run ads towards all accounts on G2. Now we actually applied all these ICP filterings that was needed to make sure that the ads doesn't go too wide. One last thing that I actually want to apply is the definition of the total addressable market that we are kind of targeting. So the accounts that we go for also is within the named list of accounts that we want to be targeting. So, and here I've now selected also that it has to be an account that is in our CRM, because I know inside of our CRM we've only have accounts that are part of our total addressable market. So all I need to do now is I hit save, and I can call it G2 intent data plus ICP layer, and I hit save. Now what I then do is I want to push this directly to LinkedIn. So I go here to syncs, and I want to establish a matched audience sync to LinkedIn. And then I press add new, and I select the ad account. I select the audience that I just created, hit save, and boom, now Dreamdata basically starts syncing to LinkedIn. Pretty magic. So now it's not just all accounts that are on the G2 category page. It's only the accounts that are actually fitting our ICP definition, so that when we go in here and we build our ad audience targeting, we can then use this definition here. We can use that this is the attribution category from G2, and we have the right kind of company sizes repeated here and the right kind of job functions, etc. So joining G2 intent data with Dreamdata's ability to layer on ICP definitions, and then LinkedIn ads to make sure we're just hitting the accounts that we've defined this way. This will make your ad spend going towards these G2 accounts incredibly effective. And I really do wish that you give it a try and let us know how it works for you. Bye.